We look back on 2023 with pride and joy. A year in which we not only achieved important milestones, but also laid a solid foundation for the future. From listings on leading central and decentralized platforms, to valuable partnerships, and all the way to the release of WeSendit 3.0. It's been a remarkable year, a year in which we were able to experience your support and engagement firsthand. We are especially grateful to have taken you on this exciting journey. Together, we celebrated the first anniversary of the WSI token and our community event, moments that would have been impossible without each and every one of you. Your support is the key to our success. For this reason, we make no compromises when it comes to the security of your data. We are committed, with full dedication and engagement, to continue working towards our goal on the path to a world where your privacy is inviolable, and to achieve further successes and milestones together with you. The year 2023 is drawing to a close, but for us, it's just the beginning. Are you ready to see what the next year holds for us? Become a part of this exciting movement and join the WeSendit family. Send it, store it, love it. Happy New Year 2024 from your WeSendit team.